वेलकम टू आरोग्य विजिट टिप्स. आपका आरोग्य विजिट टिप्स में बहुत बहुत स्वागत है. सो टुडे वी आर टॉकिंग ऑल अबाउट postpartum DR, and that is diastatic recti. 10 minutes of diastatic recti exercise which you have to do along with me, which will help you to reduce the, what we can say, weakness of your flabby muscles and strengthen your core muscles. Sitting in the home looking at this video, keeping in the home only, and you can do those exercise. And just make sure that whatever after the postnatal or after the postpartum any type of if complication is there, just check with your doctors, and then you can go with this exercise. So let me know once. The majority of the exercise will be in the mat. So you have to take a mat and water bottle and one ball. If you don't have any ball, or you can take any type of pillow which will help you, not that much hard. It should be the squeezing thing. So only you can able to engage the core with the help of squeezing the pillow or squeezing the ball. So in the first exercise, you have to take one ball, keep it exactly under your back, and you have to sit in long sitting position holding your hand straight. So you need to push your back towards the ball. Just you need to give a minor press, hold it, and then relax. Exactly, I'll show you, and you have to do along with me 10 repetition. We can do it, and each exercise will be 45 seconds will be there, and wherever you have to hold, you have to hold for 5 seconds only. Hold the hand, sitting in the long sitting position, keeping the ball back, press and come up, press, 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 come, and relax. Now the next one, you have to lay down, and make sure I'll tell you how you have to lay down. First of all, after doing the first exercise, you need to hold the what we can say ball and go back, hold, 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 and then relax. As much slow as much you will do, that will be good for your result as well as your body response also. Now the next one is folding your knee, keeping in bridging position. Take the ball, keep it under your sacrum or your back, just depending on your comfortable. Make sure you should not suffer from any back pain. Before that, check with your doctors, and be in the tabletop position. The people who can able to do properly, they can take both legs up and can do it. Blow out, breathe in. While blowing out, touch the toe and up. So you have to do along with me. Blow out, breathe in, 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 and relax. Make sure we need to do it 10 repetition, but in between, if you are getting any type of pain on the thighs, then please take a break for 5 seconds. Then again, you can start for 5 repetition. Be in the same position while doing the exercise. If you're feeling any type of discomfort or any cramps, you can keep one leg down, folding one leg in the tabletop position, and you can do this as well. Depending on your comfort level, you can start those exercise and then relax. Now, being in lying down same position which you had applied in previous exercise, keep your the pillow or pillow or the ball under the same place, and take your leg in first tabletop position, then keep it straight. Take your hand both for the support. It should not wobble like this. You can take a little more smaller ball as well. Now, if you're having discomfort while in same position, then you can lift it one leg down and one leg up, and then you can do that exercise which I'm going to teach you right now. So right now I'm going to teach you in both leg up. So you have to just kick in the sense the jerk should not come, just straighten up and down. So I'll do with the both legs, straighten up and down. It should be like you're going oblique, not you have to go straight. You have to go oblique. So how you have to, the breathing pattern will be blowing out, breathe in, blow out, breathe in. So please do along with me. We are starting now. Blow out, breathe in, 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 and down. You have to take the ball and keep it under your both knees. So basically the thing which you have to do is squeezing and relax, squeezing and relax. But how we have to perform those exercises in tabletop position. So you have to squeeze, maintain that. You have to do that squeezing thing in sustain in every type of exercise. Okay, like the exercise which you are doing it throughout the exercise, the stretch should be sustained. Okay, so press, go down, sides, sides, sides. Like that you have to perform with the blowing out. When you're going outside, blow out, breathe in, blow out, breathe in. Okay, now you have to do along with me. Squeeze, breathe in, blow out, 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 and relax. So I'll tell you one thing, while doing the movement, you might feel back pain. So I'll prefer you to tell, I'll just tell you one thing, that take 5 repetition and then take a break, then again do the movement. Relax, again engage the ball and then move the position. Make sure you should not move whole body like this. You just have to move your legs in tabletop position. That's it. And then relax. So keeping in same position, like you have to lay down in one leg, one side, and keep the one ball in between your both legs, in between your thighs or in between your knees. Keep one hand like in a support, the way I'm keeping right now, like an elbow, and just lift your hip, lift your complete back up and down. Make sure it should not go straight like this, it should be folded. Hold it for a while. Lift up and down, lift up and down. So breathing pattern will be, while going up you have to blow out. So the squeezing thing, there is no need to tell because already it is squeezing while going up. So eventually it will squeeze up and you have to lift your body up completely and down. So you have to do along with me. Breathe out, breathe in, 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 breathe out, and relax. So I want to suggest you one thing, that as slow as possible you can do those exercise. If I'm doing too fast, make sure to do it in more slow way. So as much slow you will do, that much harder the result will be there. Now you have to be in crawling position. So while in crawling, you have to take the ball and keep it under your, between your knees, I can say. And you have to lift your knee up, keeping the ball in between your knees. Be in the crawling position. Try to press and lift it up. Okay, you have to squeeze the ball and lift up. Squeeze down. Squeeze up and down. So make sure when you're keeping the ball in proper position, while blowing out, you have to come up. And while breathing, down. Legs apart, keeping it in position. Squeeze up, blow out, breathe in, down. Blow out, breathe in. 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 Look straight, no need to look down. Blow out, breathe in. Blow out, breathe in. Blow out, breathe in. Blow out, breathe in. One more. Blow out, breathe in and relax. One more thing is, while doing up, you need to make sure that you're squeezing also, because of ball you can able to get to know where while you're squeezing or whether it is going down or not. If you're not squeezing, it will come down. So try to use ball only and squeeze in between your knees and lift your leg up while blowing out. There's two things we are doing together. One is squeezing, other is blowing out and lifting up. Breathe in and come down. Make sure to follow the same pattern. Same exercise pattern but with the holding. Okay, with the help of holding you have to do, so it will strengthen your core more. Keep it in between your both legs, the ball, and be in the crawling position. Press, lift it up, hold it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and down. Same pattern while blowing out. No need to hold the breath, just blowing out, lift it up, breathe in, come down. So blow out throughout the 5 seconds is complete and breathe in and relax. So I'll show you one more time. Breathe in, blow out. Understood? So I blow out and breathing pattern with the help of counts I do. Just follow with me. Blow out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down. Breathe in. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe in. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe in. 4, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe in. 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe in. 6, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe in. 7, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe in. 8, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe in. 9, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe in. I'm itself shivering, so it's very good for your core actually. 10, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Take the ball, be in the comfortable position. For me, it's very comfortable position, but you should never lay down like this for so long. Keep the ball in downward position. Hold the hand, lock your hand. Be in the what we can say. You can say in boat position. Lift your leg up completely, and you have to hold it for 5 seconds like this. 10 repetition we have to do. Looking it down. We start. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down. Again. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down. Again. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down. Again. 4, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down. Again. 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down. Again. 6, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down. Again. 7, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down. Again. 8, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down. Again. 9, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down. Again. 10, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down and relax. Next, the last exercise. Keep the ball in between your both knees. Be in the bridging position. So while squeezing, you need to lift up and down. Make sure squeezing means you are doing the Kegel also. So need to blow out and lift up, breathe in and down. Okay, we are starting. Please do along with me. Blow out, breathe in. 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 Blow out, breathe in and relax. So hope you all understand those exercise which I performed over here in front of you, and you have to do along with me as well. So while doing along with me, you can able to feel the core shivering, the engagement of core, or I can say the stability which is increasing. So make sure to do the same pattern, same holding and same repetition. Don't be in hurry, just do 10 repetition, that is enough for the beginning stage. And for more such update, we start every month, every in a month, first week of every month we'll start, we every time do the workshop. So in that, dia workshops are there. So if you want, if you are eagerly waiting for us to teach you more exercise, please come and join our workshop. It's in every first week of month, so you can join and we will connect with you directly. It's not like some other people will come, we will connect with you directly and we'll solve every doubts or whatever you're going through with the help of exercise. We'll get back to you. Witness your fitness with us.